everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got an all-new ride and review for you today. Going to meet the cake dealer at a omakase place called MISHIK. Did not expect dark clouds to be in the forecast, but we're gonna ride anyway. There's a little bit of a sprinkle, a little bit of a drizzle. Hopefully our cameras don't get screwed up, and we'll tough it out. We'll see how it goes. I don't think this is like a forecasted big rain or anything, so hopefully it's just a passing sprinkle. But the clouds are pretty dark and ominous right now. But anyway, the restaurant is called MISHIK. It's not far from where we went last time on my last ride and review to Beef Bar. It's over in, I guess it's called Hudson Square, just above Tribeca, above Canal Street. It looks like a pretty good spot. It's an omakase place. They have a deal going on right now, which is what my wife picked up. I can't remember if it was like Pulse or Groupon or one of those flash deal kind of sites. I think it was like buy one get one. So for the price of one omakase, you get two. I think there's some sake that comes out during the meal, which is cool. So we'll see how it goes. You know how I feel about omakases. For me, I'm always hungry afterwards, but I'm trying to cut down on the snacking. You know, I try to cut down on the snacking afterwards and just kind of stick to the light Japanese fare. So we'll see. I'm ripping down Madison Street right now on the Lower East Side, coming up on the Williamsburg Bridge. Same thing we did when we went to Beef Bar, and then up Hudson. Cross over Canal, and it's right on my left. Yeah, gloomy day, gloomy day. Hopefully the bike doesn't get soaked when I park it. Coming up to the back of the Civic Center right now, at the end of Madison Street. I'm going to take this right here. Yeah, not going to sit in this traffic. Not me! That's how you beat the city traffic, baby. So now I'm on Worth Street. I just gotta kind of cross over, get in front of this traffic here. I'm gonna be stuck behind this truck, but beats waiting for traffic. It is very windy today. It's a little chilly. I really did not expect this gloom. Oh, here comes the sprinkle. These lenses stay clean. Oh. Fumes from that bus smell like shit. Get out in front of that thing. Much better now. You can breathe easy. Ah, now it's just straight up rain. Come on. Unbelievable. On Hudson. Just got to cross over Canal. It's not too far up on my left. shitheads. Alright, getting there. I hope this rain stops. I did not bring a tarp. We are almost there. Right here on the left. Oh, we got bike parking. Perfect. Alright. I'll see you on the inside. Hi. Meeting my wife there. Thanks. Hey. Cheers. Oh, that's good. Yeah, you should try it. Toasty and chocolatey. Nice, right? A little platform for the water.
I recommend you can mix all the flavor together.
Sensational. Yeah, you can't. The subway outsiders, you can't.
But rice dish with chopped bluefin tuna tartare. We have seaweed
Going through the door.
Thank you.
He's not ready to
There's
go.
a rice
So
avocado. I demonstrate also like
But anyway, so
Europe.
there was this old or age group. He's like 48. How old is this guy? He's 46, then 47. I know. So, and the first line he goes, no, but this goes to me, are you okay with that camel? And I was like, you're not actually available for the week. So I'm thinking,
What concert?
it's
Croatia, North Macedonia. That's in June. I think 2013. Oh my God, that was 9 years ago.
what total? That's,
Fatty tuna?
yes, you told me you did. Then we got her birthday at Cersei.
I don't feel like And that was it. Maybe Chinese.
She has an FS.
But I can't find her at all.
She's
All
lovely.
right.
We should get to see her because then she's not in any other groups. She's a ballet group, she's a book club book, but she hasn't.
That's a lot of
Then I thought, was it really Heather? But fairness is good.
I know, but I don't know. I'm very.
He needs to sing his feelings.
But that's kind of not my responsibility.
No, not your problem.
Thank you.
So he's talked about, what I know, organisation. So it's still his name. At least I said can't pay and stuff. Up on the 1st of July.
Oh, you have a
So no.
Oh, wait.
Now.
Bunch is so good.
So I'm trying to.
Ice cream burger.
Yeah.
It really is ice cream.
Okay, MISHIK. As you can see, it's still drizzling out, so I'm gonna have to constantly wipe my lenses for you guys. This sucks. Definitely want to avoid Spring Street. The road's all ripped up. So anyway, this place is pretty good. I probably would not go again unless there was another deal like that. I think for the regular price, they could, you know, benefit from a little bit better quality, better pieces. But for the price we paid and the special, I thought it was worth it. It was good. Let me take this right. Let's see, favorite pieces. The king salmon, the torched one, that was a GoldenEye snapper, I think. That was really good. And the uni. They really loaded that thing up with uni. Lots and lots of uni, so that was good. What else? Oh, the dessert was cool. It was like a little tea flavored ice cream. in kind of like a macaron shell, like a little, to make like a little sandwich or a burger. So that was nice. The sake was really good. They gave us 2 glasses. I thought we were only going to get 1. So that was a nice surprise. But yeah, pretty good meal. I would say do it if they have a deal. And if they don't have a deal at the time, then maybe pass on it. There are some other spots that I think are a better value for that price point. So yeah, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Check out the full review, the full write-up, everything, all the details. And as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.